Hello everyone, welcome to the video, and the video starts with all of us eating nachos because it's Friday and it's nachos day. और यहाँ पे Krisha made another cake topper that was so nice and it was I think Pokemon themed. Pokemon! Do you know the names of these characters in Pokemon? गाइस हम लोग बना रहे मग केक. बहुत टाइम हो गया आप लोगों ने मग केक नहीं देखा. सो यहाँ पे ड्राई बैटर मग केक का बनाया है. एंड दिस वाज एक्स्ट्रा, सो पुट इन द डब्बा. यू कैन स्टोर इट इन द फ्रिज. दिस आर चॉकलेट चिप्स और मिल्क और ऑयल भी यहाँ पे रेडी है. और यहाँ पे थोड़े से ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स एंड ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन आउटसाइड. और ब्यूटीफुल भाई नहीं वहाँ पे खड़ी है. सो ये ड्राई मिक्स जो है हम लोग डाल देंगे. सो मग केक के ड्राई मिक्सचर में डाल दिया है थोड़ा सा ऑयल. नाउ विल जस्ट पुट द मिल्क भी डाल दिया है. नाउ विल जस्ट मिक्स द बैटर. सो बोथ द बैटर्स आर रेडी इन द मग. This is the consistency. So we'll just put our first one in the micro. 2 minutes usually. 2 minutes मैंने रखा है because it's the first time I'm using this micro in Australia. So power अलग होते हैं. और guys आप लोग अंदर बिल्कुल भी नहीं देख सकते हो. वो तो होश देखा हो रही. भाई नहीं देखा रही. अंदर केक नहीं देखा तो. 2 minutes हो गए ख़त्म. चोको चिप्स डालते ऊपर. This one goes inside. Okay, both are ready. Look, they look so hot and warm. And we have cream cookies and cream ice cream. अभी ये गर्मा गर्म मग के इसलिए मैं फुल नहीं भरती हूँ because एक तो बहुत होता है. If you do like full bought cake then you put a scoop of ice cream. So that's a scoop of cookies and cream going on the hot mug cake. We got beautiful cake and ice cream. Where's bowl? Oh, okay. Do you girls love it? Kote na kya? Hache. Bhave toj. No, nice and bowl. It's actually it's like Sanchuros. The chocolava cake. Oh my god, that's a big compliment. Apparently this mug cake tastes like Sanchuros chocolava cake. Very easy recipe guys. आप लोग बना सकते हो. Okay, bye. I hate when that happens in the video. Oh god. Okay, nikrengi. Finally guys, you can see the ice cream was already melting on the hot mug cake. So let me show you. Look how moist it is inside and cooked. Abhi ice cream ke sath hot mug cake with ice cream. Australia आके फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ पे मैंने मग केक बनाया एंड इट्स सो लाइक ब्रिंगिंग सो मेनी मेमोरीज. केन्या में बहुत ही बनाती थी बट यम्मी. टेक अ स्पून. You finished all your ice cream and now you're eating the cake. Hello everyone, welcome to the video guys and I hope आप सब ठीक हो. So guys, I've come to my Faye's house यहाँ पे Geeta Faye's house just for a few days to stay over and my cousins and they're all here. So अभी तो हम लोग study करेंगे and I really hope you enjoy the video. अभी देखती हूँ मैं क्या कहना. मैं every time try करती हूँ कि मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा record कर पाऊँ just so I keep up with you guys because फिर when I don't post a video बहुत लोग पूछते रहते हैं why you not posting now. Every time I tell you that I've been busy, I can't keep up, but I still try because I also miss, you know, मैं जब vlogging नहीं करती हूँ ना, so I miss like I feel like I'm not talking to all of you, you know what I mean. But anyway, so I try little. अभी देखते हैं क्या आप लोग आगे देखते हो. Anyways guys, what you already saw was mug cake. Mug cake किसको याद है? You know when I was making mug cake in Kenya, so many people used to send me photos on Instagram and I used to be so happy. So yeah, we had mug cake और बहुत ही, oh my god, it was so delicious and nice and chocolatey and ice cream and everything. So all of you can make. आप लोग please बनाओ. It's so easy to make. And guys, it's the next day and breakfast time. और यहाँ पे Geeta Faye is frying some peanuts and cashew nuts because आज एकादशी है, so fasting food बनेगा. And this is जुगू and बटेटा. और यहाँ पे फुआ मोगो के अंदर मर्चू and lemon और नमक और वो सब डाल रहे हैं. So it's so cute. Fua and Faye are working together in the kitchen. So guys, it's a beautiful day. हमारा breakfast ready है टेबल पे. पूल अभी थोड़ा सा ठंडा है. ओ छुआ तू. Krisha is here working on her cake topper. Can you guess which theme she is doing? I think it's a unicorn. Yeah. So someone named Tanishka, it's her 4th birthday. So all this is separate. She's gonna assemble it all to make a nice cake topper. This is like a 3D. This is beautiful. To keep on the birthday tables. Guys, hamara unicorn shaker topper is ready because it's shaking inside. See this? So the kids can play with it. This ramakra shakes inside. Well done, Krisha. Kothri is very moty. Guys, after such a long time having chips in Kothri. Bhau teaching Australians learning how to eat chips from Kothri. Muna uncle style. ડિઝાઇન કરશો
હા એ બધું આપણે શીખવાનું જોઈએ ને
વાહ કેવી ડિઝાઇન નો યા ગરમ થઈ ગયું તો હાલશે આખું ફૂલ થઈ ગયું ફ્રોક થી Drinking chocolate on coffee. And for dinner next day, guys, we made pizzas or homemade bases बनाए थे with whole wheat. और यहाँ पे Faye is just preparing and baking them. और इतने सारे बड़े बड़े pizzas, मतलब the whole counter was like so many pizza with colorful vegetables and everything. But yeah, it's everyone's favorite and we love it. And guys, how many of you love pineapples on your pizza? I do not like them, sorry. But some people still like them, and you can see our pizzas are so yummy and ready. और पिज़्ज़ा ठूसने के बाद गाइस हमारा पेट अभी तक भरा नहीं, मतलब थोड़े टाइम के बाद वी मेड दीज waffles that were so nice. So actually Geeta Faye's kids gifted her this waffle maker and it was so cute and इतने सारे waffles अच्छे अच्छे बन रहे थे. So यहाँ पे बैटर बनाया था और waffle भी बनाए थे. और ये waffle मतलब ये हार्ट शेप का, मतलब पूरा फ्लावर बनता है, but you can cut them into tiny pieces, or you can see that the waffle is ready. If you want it more crispy, you can make it more brown, and yeah, you just cut it. और बहुत ज़्यादा crunchy भी बन रहे थे. So look at this cute heart shape. So you guys can try making waffles like this. Batter बनाना भी बहुत easy होता है. And yeah, we're just having with ice cream. Guys, it's the next morning. और आप लोगों ने देखा yesterday we had so many waffles and pizzas and everything, and it's today I'll be going back to Krupa's house. मैं यहाँ से जा रही हूँ. But anyways, it's so much fun here at this area, and so yeah, just doing my work. Guys, it's a beautiful next day. और यहाँ पे I'm doing my work and Bhava is also doing her work, and look what she got for me from Starbucks. A cookie, chocolate chip cookie. Oh my god, so cute. Cute, matlab it's very big. But yeah, thank you. Ooh, so gooey and chewy and nice. Thanks, Babu. And then guys, we just sat outside, we were talking about life and everything in Australia और had our lunch और उसके बाद हम लोग गए ये एक्टिविटी सेंटर में जहाँ पे देवू का स्विमिंग क्लासेस थे. So Dev is getting ready for swimming classes. तो यहाँ पे ना एक्चुअली बच्चों का स्कूल के साथ स्विमिंग इंक्लूडेड मोस्टली नहीं होता है. So everyone takes separate swimming classes. So it's nice how everyone is taught swimming. Swimming सबको आना ही चाहिए. And look at Dev trying to swim. Did you have fun swimming? And guys, it was the next day. Oh my god, I don't know how many next days I've shown you. And from our classes, हमारे classes खत्म होने के बाद, one of my friends was like he wants to take us to the Parramatta Park. And guys, this park was so big, like it was so huge, and there were so many things to explore. So we were just walking around and looking at everything, and it was a really big park. और हम लोग ऐसे ही walk करते करते we went to our station and yeah, enjoyed the nature. So guys, usually from our classes in Parramatta, we usually take the train from the train station. But today one of my friends stays in Westmead area, so we're visiting the Parramatta Park, and it's so beautiful, like so beautiful. All the trees, even those ones. See, one of them just flew. Oh my god. Everywhere. Simran, starting from that tree, all of these. Oh, you can see bats everywhere on the trees. Look, Simran, they're all flying. They're all flying. Whoa. They're so big. You know, when I was in Central Coast, like there's always a road where we walk and just for some daily activities. So it's always nice to have a long walk in such. Australia has such nice, beautiful parks and everything. So take advantage of it and walk instead of, I mean, you can do whatever you want, but it's a good physical activity. All this is, we can cross that bridge. Yeah, we will. All this is a part of the Parramatta Park. So it's almost evening time. After such a long walk, we're leaving the park. Such beautiful roads, open for public to walk and cycle. We have reached the station. So now we will go to Quakers Hill. Guys, after a long, good walk, I've reached at the train station. I will go home to Quakers Hill, Krupa ke ghar. Or yeah, for those by the way who are confused, so actually some of my classes and everything goes on this side, so it becomes easier for me to travel, you know, in trains and everything. And I really also hope you all enjoyed watching this video. It was a short video, I know, but like I told you, I keep trying all the time to take videos. And yeah, kuch log kehte ki oh, at least show what you're eating in a day, you know, but I try to show whatever I can usually. And kuch log bore ho jate hain, kuch log ko acha lagta hai to see what we eat and how we cook and everything. So I just try to show whatever I can, and I really hope all of you enjoy watching the video. Next video hopefully guys, abhi celebrities yahan pe pre navratri ke liye आ रहे हैं. So हम लोग I think जाने वाले हैं गरबा में. So I'll show you. So wait for the next video. Anyways guys, I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. अपना ख्याल रखना. Bye bye. My train is coming. My train is here. Bye.